Good day, everyone. I want to share something I did in the past that I'm not proud of when I was younger, I drank alcohol without the consent of my parents. At first, I thought it was just for fun, but later I realized it was wrong. Drinking at a young age was not only illegal, but also disrespectful to my family. I learned that trying to act mature doesn't mean breaking rules, it means making the right choice. That mistake taught me to value my parents' trust and to be more responsible with my action. I may have done something wrong, but I used it as a lesson to become a better person. But that experience taught me something. I learned that I don't need to do something and to be like everyone to make me look cool or to impress someone. I learned that every parent knows best for their child, and that experience opened my eyes. I learned that real maturity is about making the right decision even when no one is watching. To everyone listening, especially the youth, remember that one wrong decision can affect your life in ways you might not expect. Learn from your mistakes, but more importantly, learn before you make them.